Yeah, you got the cute cat. I gotta share this one. This is a 2019 Rogue. Yeah. Things to look for when a car goes swimming. First of all, there's water in the cup holder. 2, it smells like a fish hatchery in here. 3, when we turn on the ignition, which I will not do because the car is slowly trying to catch fire, the dashboard is a literal Christmas tree, and every system that is in the vehicle has failed. Okay. The seats are absolutely saturated. The battery was dead. And I tell you, if it smells like a salmon hatchery in here, it smells like a salmon hatchery. Alright? Now, clear indicator. First thing I noticed was all that stuff down there. Alright? And it's no big deal. The further down you get, the more you see. Oh, I didn't even notice back there. The plastics are off. There is all types of weed trimmings and grass and leaves. But a quick way to tell if the car's been swimming. Pull your air filter off and take a look to see. Oh, look. If it has water in it. It's got water in the intake, which my camera's not picking up very well. Yeah, this car's salvage. And oh, look, you can look in the grill. Yeah, they took the son of it swimming. There's a leaf by the radiator. And then finally, there's a little extra oil in there. And it's probably not oil, it's probably water. Okay, so things to look for if you think a car has gone swimming and there's indication of moisture on the block. You've got signs of rust, corrosion. That's super wet back there. There's no oil coming out of that. That's just part of the harness. Yeah. When you just have multiple things that just point to car went swimming. Alright, these are things that you can look at. But yeah, this one went swimming. And when I try to put the jump box to it, oh look, there's even a whole lot of water back here. Okay. When I put the jump box to it to hit the shift lock override, the cigarette lighter started to smoke. It started to smoke out under from the steering column under the under the instrument panel. Yeah, this thing is fucked. So water, electricity don't mix, and I don't need this sumbitch catching fire in front of my gate. So yeah, loads of fun. 37,000 miles salvage. So again, things to look for when a car goes swimming. Got the cute cat.